Hey, Charlie here. Hey, I'm gonna be doing a unboxing of a gaming PC. I've never owned a gaming PC before, but that's gonna change. I just bought one. It's a laptop, and we're going to unbox it today. So let's do this. It's a MSI laptop called MSI. It's made by MSI. Um, yeah, yeah. It's made by MSI. It's the weakest, cheapest gaming PC made that is still called a gaming PC. Now, I thought that I had made gaming PCs, and it turned out they were okay, but they were nothing like they are today. The ones I built were built really well, but they just didn't have the dazzle of today's. So anyway, here it goes. True gaming. That's what it says. It says true gaming. True gaming. And then you can put laptop. So true gaming laptop. MSI. Look at that. Oh wow. So they put it on upside down from this. That's weird. Whoops, hang on. No, they didn't. Run it backwards. There we go. True gaming. Ooh, getting closer. Oh wow! Look, the dragon. It's got the dragon on it. Ooh, it's thin too. Oh wow, that is lightweight compared to what I was thinking of. That is amazingly light. Oh look, it's got a LAN port. Hard, it's not sprung. LAN port, locking port. This is a USB port. The USB C type, I think. Two ports there for whatever headphone and one of these. This one says headphones. I want to say that's a mic. I hope it is. That would be cool. Oh wow, look at that brushed plastic. Wait. No. That's a plastic cover. And I think that's metal. What is it? It's metal. Oh my god. Anyway, it's got this plastic sheathing on it here. Wow, they got that on there like a tight condom. Okay. It looks like there's something right here. Like a piece of metal. Alright, I could scratch at that all day long. I'm not going to. See their emblem? The dragon. Cool, huh? The dragon emblem. It's lightweight. What's on this side? No disk drive. Oh, wow, that's groovy. There's video output ports if I want a screen, but yeah, big port. There's a cooling fans for the processor, for the big i5 processor in it. What is this? Carry handle? I have no idea what that is. It's some kind of flip thing. I have no idea what those are. It's got little rubberized feet. It says HDMI. Yeah, what isn't? Oh, wow. Cooling fans. Look at all the cooling air on it. Oh, boy. Oh, good. The screen. I won't have to sit there and look at the mirror image of my face. That is so awesome. And this is where all the work takes place. This is all lit on here. This is lit. Core i5. Never mind who made it, but so it's a Core i5. I wonder what that means. GeForce GTX gaming video card. Well, that's all there is to it, huh? I don't think this is a touch screen. I see a microphone, camera. This here looks like maybe a mic port. No, it's probably a light adjustment port. And these are probably mics. Speakers. Oh God, where are the speakers? Oh, there's a power button. Yeah, that's a power button there. Wow, there it is. Golly. It's a gaming PC. It's got this aluminum cover on it. I like that brushed aluminum. Where's the manufacturer date on it? Factory seal, don't break it. I see no manufacturer date on it. Anyway, there it is. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm trying to read it upside down for a manufacturing date. 2021-04. There it is. April of this year. Awesome. Okay. So that means it's got COVID all over it. Yummy. Okay. I can't get this freaking plastic off of it. That's okay. It'll come off eventually. Okay, there's a power button, but it's not turning on. That's not a good thing. Anyway, we're going to plug it in and make it work. There it is. It looks good. The screen, it's all brand new. Warning, it causes reproductive harm, so don't lick it. And there it is. We'll see what it looks like. Bye.